skinny dipping?
Huh? No. We weren't naked.
Oh, yeah.
We were fully dressed.
Hi guys. Welcome to another episode of Just Keep Discussing. And right now I have with me our intern, Beats. And we're gonna just discuss about her journey here being an intern at Just Keep Thinking because it's gonna end soon.
Cheers.
Woo!
Hi everyone. I'm Beatrice, but they call me Beats.
How was interning with us?
I had a lot of fun. Yeah, I got to experience a lot of things that I think a lot of my peers don't get to. I think I really enjoyed like going out to like the beaches and like different islands to like explore.
Actually, why did you apply for us in the first place?
I mean, I've watched your content before, so I was like, oh, interesting, all this nature stuff. And I was like, why not just try?
So what's your first impression when you came here?
I think one impression was, like, especially for MJ, you know, it's like you see her on camera and stuff, she's so like bubbly and loud, right? She's like that in real life. Like, I really thought it was just like an act or like a character, but that's just her.
Did we surprise you in any ways?
I think maybe specifically you, like how boomer you are.
No,
yeah. Like for someone who like does social media, you are quite old school, eh?
oh my god!
No, but in a way it gives like a refreshing little twist. I think I remember when we first came, you asked me what was like lit, if I remember correctly. And I was like, I'm pretty sure lit isn't used anymore.
Oh no! So I've done so many cool Gen Z words like ick, lit, slay, queen, yes, queen, and like bussin'. I don't know. Yeah, I was like, I'm ready to learn and be a sponge and be young again and blend in with the crowd.
I feel like I need to constantly remind you that we're only 6 years apart.
Oh my god, I should somehow mention that I have adopted her slang. Like, thank you leh.
No, I just...
You're welcome eh. Like,
it's just the way my friends and I speak.
Really? Yeah.
I kind of brought it to you guys, you know?
It wasn't on purpose. Like
maybe I did it on purpose.
Okay, let's answer some questions then.
yeah!
Okay.
Alright, so what's your third favourite shoot that you were on?
Ding 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 ding! What's this? It was just a fun shoot eh. It's just like purely fun, no stress. I mean, I think she's a bit more stressed because she got the GoPro, but then it's exclusive, right? Not like any member of the public can go. So is it called skinny dipping?
Huh? No. We weren't naked.
Oh, yeah.
We were fully dressed. Okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. All I was told was, yeah, we'll do a coral reef shoot. And then I was like, oh my gosh, can I do underwater shoot? And everybody was like, you wanna? And I was like, yeah. Then he was like, okay, I'll do all. I was like, huh? But I definitely had a lot of fun. Like MJ was just like, she was just every wall, she was holding a torchlight, she was like looking for things. She found a seahorse, this tiny. And I was like, ma'am, how did you do that?
Second favourite shoot is...
Oh, different! Okay. We had to go to different locations. Every location we have to reset up. Then she was just on the ball. Like wherever we go, she knows exactly what to do. We don't even need to tell her. She was just like, okay, immediately setting up, marking us up. And the moment I ran out, I was like, oh my god, Beats, you're awesome, man. Then like, slay, queen, slay. Yeah.
I'm shy.
I'm shy.
So Beatrice, what's with the EJC?
Oh, I was given a bit more independence. I got like to get my own cam. Then I follow around this artillery coco around to like film him. Do you think I can see through this?
Should we try?
Let's try. Got it. And I like the hustle lah. It was so fun. Like making props and rushing it, making sure it works. Yeah, it was really fun. And I still have the set on as my wallpaper. So, please. Quite cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Oh, sorry.
And your favourite is...
Oh my god!
Oh, different! Oh
my god! It's so different!
So my favourite shoot was SFA4, which is the meatless one. I think it was one of the first shoot I ever did with y'all. It was at the back alley. I think I really liked it because we didn't have to go anywhere. It was like nearby and like it was the most select I feel. Because like we got to eat like immediately after shooting, and I've been told that Ray can cook pretty well, and I think this is the first time I got to try like his like food. Wow, I tell you, the way he cooked that impossible meat, right?
So why is Sentosa shoot your favourite?
Well, first of all, it was like a night shoot. It's quite fun, and then it's like about insects and frogs, which a lot of people are not very comfortable with, but we all had fun lah.
The moment she heard the sound, she was like, I need to find it. I was like, nope. I will make my move.
And also, most importantly, I think there's like one moment where someone from the shoot like someone from there lah, I wouldn't say who lah, but she said something not very nice to me. Then it affected me a lot, like emotionally. Then like I was a bit like downcasted. But then Beats will calm me down and be like, yeah, that was just a mean comment. It's not about you. Yeah, and then that was very comforting. Like it really helped me at the moment because I was really affected by it.
She slayed.
Slay! We are queens! Slay! Oh no!
Do you regret teaching her all this?
No!
Yeah. a little bit.
Okay,
Alright,
okay.
So favorite moment with each other, and 3, 2, 1, go.
One fond memory was we were having a really good time, like practicing the, the 一百年前你的手机会不是我 that one. Yeah, so the very next day, MJ sends a very excitable like text saying, Uncle Raymond is at White Sands. And then we were like, huh? Yeah, so then luckily we were practicing the night before. So MJ really like busted down her moves. I think in general, it's like sometimes MJ and I will just practice TikTok dances for fun. These are like little moments that I really enjoy, like working here.
Red 5 diamonds in my bag. If you want to get out just like that. Moving on.
Moving on. So, Rain Army closing out.
Oh god. So there's one week where Ray is in reservice and then it's just me and Biz. Yeah, and then we started just talking about boys in general. I mean like girls talk, right? I was like telling her like, you know when guys, they wear army clothings, right? They actually look a bit different, their vibe is different. It feels as though they've become a man, they are more mature in that sense. Like,
It's her opinion, yeah, I didn't say anything. Her opinion.
yeah, so it's like our little inside joke. Then when he came back, right, he really just walked into the room, opened the door in like army clothing. It's like, hi guys, I'm back. Then I was like, then look at me, I'm like, and then just, people cannot stop laughing. So yeah, Ray has no clue what's going on. We're just laughing amongst ourselves and yeah.
It was nice to have a little inside joke that Ray wasn't part of
Yeah.
for a while. I think a lot of our attention span has like shortened to quite a bit. Like when we were younger, you can watch like some stupid video for like 8 to 10 minutes, like on like Smosh or whatever. But now, if you ask me to watch like an 8-minute video, I don't think I can. And I think a lot of creators are trying to go towards that direction also, to start creating like short form content, so people are able to like engage more. I do miss the longer videos though, because you get to like really slowly digest everything.
I know a lot of my millennial friends, they're like, screw TikTok, I'm not gonna like join in TikTok because TikTok is like nonsense and stuff. It made me realize like, hey, now we millennials are becoming boomers because we are like so resistant to TikTok. You cannot stop where the trend is heading towards.
What's your biggest takeaway from working here?
Wow, my biggest takeaway, where do I start? I think being in a smaller team, I'm given the opportunity to like really dabble in like everything. Like I get to do like camera, I can like help in like pre-prod. Here I did a lot of post-prod stuff and I didn't really get a chance to like previously. Ray got a chance to like teach me how to do like animation on After Effects. Like even learning on like YouTube, I was a bit like, oh, I don't really get it. But he was teaching me all these like little hacks and like little like quirky things that you can do on After Effects, and everything became very fast and very smooth. So yeah, I think that's one of my biggest hard skills, I guess, that I managed to take away. And I guess I managed to take away like 2 new friends lor, like Ray and MJ lah. Like what am I supposed to say?
No, you're not as scared of like insects already, so that one.
Yeah, oh my gosh, like I am basically impervious. Is it impervious? I don't know, I'm using a big word that I don't know the meaning of. Like last time, I would jump. Like I will walk away. But you know now, I will like, oh, so cute, don't kill ah. Like we slowly like, I will like try to like pick it up and like move it aside, you know. Wow, who am I?
Alright, next question is for MJ. What is your biggest takeaway from working with an intern?
I feel as being like new and upcoming bosses, especially in newer workplaces where bosses are younger, they are more like millennials or Gen Z minded, then they will understand having that real human connection with your peers is important. And like it's really fun like every day I don't really see Beats as a star. It's like a friend is coming here, we're gonna vibe, we're gonna laugh a lot. Like, and the workplace becomes more enjoyable, and yeah, I don't know, it's a new insight for me. Like, hopefully we can continue this way in JKT.
So I think to add on to that, I think one thing that was very important was there wasn't really like a per se hierarchy. Like yeah, of course like Ray and MJ gets final say. From what I hear from my friends, maybe it's different, but here I get like a equal say-ish in like our creative work.
Like we can go like party together, it's like fine and like
Second week in office, drinking with them already. Was it my second week or was it like the second day?
Yeah, second day. ABC, you want to drink some
Not beer.
Yeah.
Not sure.
Do you guys have any final words of encouragement for each other?
Ah, why am I crying?
I'm not good with emotions.
Oh my god.
Never dull your spark for your love for animals. No lah, but for real though, like I think it's very hard to find someone with so much passion for what they do. Yeah, she's not very active. She's really like this, okay? Like she really loves like her water animals. No.
Water
Her water animals. Thank you. Yeah, it's good. Keep inspiring others as you inspire me.
Compared to my previous workplace, like it's just like interns, right? But no way, it's like so much more than that. It's like we had so much fun together. I think you brought a lot of laughter to the group. It was so fun. And you keep me young. I was like, if you're a girl, who's gonna keep me young? No one's gonna keep me young. I'm very sad. So yes, I love you and I wish you all the best. I hope you reach your dreams wherever they are. And you can remember us and we'll go to like have some fun somewhere.
But we don't have to do
someday.
ART anymore, we will.
Yes.
Party.
Party. That's all for today.
Just keep thinking.
Yay! Woo!
Interview, I was trying to be like professional, like, oh, yeah, I do film. Like, yeah, I can help you in production. But then it was so casual, like MJ suddenly popped out in like a tank top. So I expected like a team, but it was just Ray and MJ. And I was like, you know what, I will vibe with them, I will come here.